Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy my recipes. Today I am going to share pav, laddi pav at home. Perfectly smooth, soft and tasty pavs. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, half cup warm milk and half cup warm water. Give it a mix and keep it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you can see yeast is activated. On the bowl keep this sieve and in that add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida, half teaspoon salt. Sieve it. Now you mix it. Take 1/4 cup of warm milk to knead the dough. Add milk gradually. Knead the dough sticky like this. Knead it for 4 minutes. After that add 2 tablespoons of butter. Knead it 10 minutes. Tuck the dough like this. Take little butter, apply to the ball. Place the dough in the bowl. Cover it with cling wrapper or you can even cover with lid. Rest it for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours you can see dough is proved now, twice as it was before. You can see. Now sprinkle little flour on this. Take out the air by punching. Knead it for 2 minutes. Knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes and cut into 9 portions. Grease the tin with oil. Sprinkle little flour and dust it. Take the extra flour out of it. Take one portion. You see, you need to tuck it like this first. Tuck it, and to the back also you need to tuck this way and make it a round balls like this. Place it in the greased tin. Same way, take the other portion, tuck it, make it a round ball and place it in the tin, leaving half-inch space between. Now cover it and rest it for 1 hour. After 1 hour you can see the ball size is increased. The ball size is increased double. Now give it a milk brush. By giving this milk brush it comes out very good color when you bake it. Preheat the vessel. You can see in my earlier videos, in cake videos, how to preheat the vessel. I had preheated for 10 minutes and place the tin over this. Bake it for half an hour on low flame. After half an hour you can see the color is changed. You can switch off the flame. I'm going to take out of it. Brush with the butter for shiny paws. Cover with wet cloth and rest it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see this. I'll demold the paws from the tin. You can even see at the back, it is baked very well. The color and the softness, it is very good. When you press the paw should bounce back like this. That means we made a perfect paw. You can even see inside the paw, it is perfectly done, soft. I'll cut it and show inside the paw. You can see inside the paw the holes. It is perfectly baked. Thank you for watching my recipe. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button, and friends who are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.